Do this with chocolate milk next time, using only 2 ingredients. In a container, start by adding 5 blocks of liquid chocolate, book next door. In another container, add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, 5 tablespoons of water, and now just mix everything very well. After mixing, just take to the microwave or leave in a water bath, just to moisturize. With the hydrated gelatin, add everything in the container with the chocolate milk. Once that's done, just mix it up. All done. Now just pour in a platter. And take to the fridge until it hardens. And look how amazing this dessert is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy and a delicious recipe. Using only 2 ingredients, you don't need to prepare anything. Just mix it up and you are done. And the best of all, you spend very little. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.